evening everyone. I will be presenting on ligamentum flavum handling in lumbar endoscopic ULBD inside out versus outside in technique. ULBD or unilateral laminotomy bilateral decompression is minimally invasive solution for lumbar decompression. It preserves the midline, undercut the facet with minimal soft tissue damage. There are certain technical advantages of endoscope over microscope for ULBD. For example, angled optics of endoscope enhance the field of vision despite of small skin incision. Its thinner diameter helps to work around corner, hence it is the ultra minimally invasive approach for ULBD. Deep layer of the ligamentum flavum is attached to the ventral surface of the upper lamina, which is separated by midline raphe. So basic technical difference based on the anatomies are, in inside out approach, docking and drilling starts more medially and superiorly. Surgeon enters into epidural space early using the anatomical defect in proximal attachment of ligamentum flavum, so it is more likely vertical approach to lamina. Whereas in outside in technique, bone drilling starts caudally and laterally. Ligamentum flavum remains intact till completion of bone removal, and it is more likely an oblique approach to lamina. Now coming to the outside in technique proper, here docking point is junction of medial border of the facet joint and caudal lamina. Author described it as V point. This is the inferior most part of the inferior articular process. Ipsilateral drilling starts from the medial border of the facet joint, goes in cranial direction towards the cranial spinolaminar junction, then towards the caudal spinolaminar junction. Contralateral drilling starts from the base of the spinous process, followed by sublaminar drilling of the contralateral lamina. Ligamentum flavum is removed after the completion of bone new work. It can be done as en bloc or in piecemeal. Now coming to the inside out technique, here the docking point is cranial hemilamina at spinolaminar junction. Plane of approach is through fatty plane lateral to the spinous process, and author claims even lesser muscle damage than outside in approach. Bone work and decompression is performed with the help of a combination of drill and Kerrison punch. It starts from the spinal laminar junction, progress caudally in a C-like fashion towards the caudal lamina, then it is followed by ligamentum flavum removal of ipsilateral side. Then uppermost attachment of the ligamentum flavum is identified. Kerrison punch enters into the epidural space through the defect. Saline irrigation pushes the dura to create adequate space for big size Kerrison to enter safely. Ligamentum flavum is removed in piecemeal unlike outside in technique. Full thickness ligamentum flavum along with bone is removed, hence bigger diameter scope is essential for better use of big size Kerrison. Lateral edge of the nerve root acts as a guide for bone removal. Early exposure of traversing nerve root limits unnecessary excessive facet bone removal. Contralateral decompression is done with burr and Kerrison after completion of ipsilateral side. In conclusion, both the techniques are safe. Inside out technique is probably less invasive than outside in due to its more medial approach. Inside out technique may be less damaging to facet because of undercutting of facet under vision till exposure of lateral edge of nerve root. Thank you very much.